Morning guys, just come out to try the Bushcrafter out with the torch attachment on the utility arm. I've already made an improvement on the design. This is actually powder coated steel, mild steel, and the production models will have stainless steel, so there's going to be no issues with rusting or anything like that, or the finish getting scratched. As you can see, she's pretty much ready for production. The arrow actually sits on here, doesn't go through the hole as some people have asked me, so it sits on the top there and the feathers pass through the hole like that. Okay, so let's give it a whirl, let's give it a go. It's very good fun to shoot. This is going to be absolutely awesome for slingbow fishing.